Hello everyone, Grab is here with a new video demonstrating modding MegaMan Maker. Basically, this will be a tutorial showing how to add contents in the game, like tiles, backgrounds, music, etc. Except weapons, so because we can't for now, sadly. However, we can also add more things, and we can add scripts and a lot of fun things to do with that Undertale module. But for now, I'll just do the basics. Yeah, like just adding tiles and backgrounds and music first. Then I can go into enemies and then uh, gimmicks and bosses later because these are more complicated. In any way, let's just begin.
Alright, before we begin, this is all for 1.7, not 1.6, because Undertale module just got recently updated, and now we can add things to 1.7 because previously we couldn't. So thankfully we can now. And for now, we can just start by adding a sprite first. I will add a tile set first. Forgot to explain. You go to embedded textures, right click, add, then import. Since I want a static tile, I'll go to my sprites folder, example static tile, then this y.png is slash mat tile set made by Sunlodo. Yeah, you'll get a warning, but it doesn't matter, just click OK.
Next, you will need to go to texture beige items, right click, add, and it's the last option. It's a blank option now since we didn't add the embedded texture in. So open embedded textures, go to the last option. It's the last thing we added, the slash man tile. Add it there, drag it and add it there. And now for the right sizes for this tile set, it will be 175 for the bounding sizes. Here it will be 1, here it will be 1, here it will be 173. Yeah, here and here and here as well. And don't worry, it will not show up, but if you went there, went to the texture beige items there and scrolled again and checked it again, it will appear. It's just a bug for the module. Now, since you added the tile set to the texture beige items, go to sprites, add, and here to the name, leave the SPR part and call it slash, or actually replace the SPR since it will be a tileset, name it TST slash tile or slash 2. Yeah. Then after you click outside the box, this will appear. Just click on the first option. Then you go to texture beige items. You choose the final thing you added, since it will be the final thing you added. Or actually, double click on the textures. Now you can add it. And double click here to inclusion masks. Oh yeah, since we didn't edit yet, didn't add the sizes yet, we will just add 173 here, here, and here, and here. That's it. Yeah, and yeah, invalid mask data. We can just do a clever move by going to an already existing tile set. Yeah, say TST went to alt, for example. Yeah, export mask. I will add it here. Just name it. Whatever. Wendy. I will type slash 2. Yeah. Oh. Wait, there's already a slash 2. Oh, I see now.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. It's only one slash tiles that it exists in the game currently. That was just a mistake. Anyway, we will import the windy mask. Oh wait, yeah. 70, 75 here. Now we can edit. Yep. Now, since it is added, it won't automatically be added to the game. You see that number down there? Yeah, in the right corner, right down corner. You'll need it, so we'll screenshot it. I will go to Discord. Don't care about this. Yeah, all my friends. That's the server specifically for First Impact, so I will just add it here. That's the number that I'll need. Let's call it TST slash 2. Yeah, just to remind myself of it. We'll open again. Then we'll go to. Well, actually, before that, let's go to a photo editor or something. I'll just go to Biscuit. I will import the tiles that already exist that I have, the slash man tile. Yeah, in here. We'll try and fetch a thumbnail for the tile set when I get it, when I edit it is. Let's take that part. Since it will be the actual 16 by 16 size for the thumbnail, it will basically be this size. Yeah, let's export it. Now I have it. We can now go to adding the tile. Just type tile, go to code, and then scroll until you see. Wait, I guess I missed it. Wait. Yeah, here, tiles. GML underscore global script underscore init category tiles. This one. Now here, you see that global max options. You see that its number is 859. Now, instead of being 859, I will just increase it by 1. It will be on 860 by 1. Why? Because I will add only one tile set, so it will be increased by 1 normally. Now, since it will be a slash man tile, I will just add it in the MegaMan 7 category, but I will need to add the script for it first. So let's scroll until we see anything from MegaMan 7 that is a tile set. Alright, here. Let's be close. Yeah, slash man tile, so slash tile here. Start from the global option mask. That's the initial code for any tile set first, and then scroll until you get to the end of the description, the option description here. Copy, make some space, board it here, but then we need to make some changes. Okay, since it you see that this code is 160, that's for slash tile. Here it's the same thing, but since we just added a number above, which was 860, that will indicate that it will be added when we actually add it to the category down later. Okay, so since we added the number for the slash tile, we just will need to rename it. Let's just say anything for the description. Say actual good rock tiles, and the option tile set here, you remember that numbers that I saved in Discord? Yeah, which was 5183. Well, sorry, well, type that here, and that means that it actually exists. It exists in the game codes, but now we'll need to actually add it in game. in-game tileset in the category of MegaMan 7 tileset. Okay, so you scroll way down until you see this. Okay, so you see tiles category name MegaMan 7. There are orders of numbers here from 0 to 15, but since it is for MegaMan 7, it is for 6. I will just need to find a category tile max, and when we see a number here which indicates to any number of these, then we will know. So like category tile max, we will search for 6. Yeah, that one is for MegaMan 7. And what the one for slash tile was 160. Yeah. Since we're here, we'll search for, yeah, here 160 with then 0. We will copy that. We will then paste it besides it, just to be just so we can make the /2 tile set to be besides the /1 tile set. Yeah, here. Now we'll just replace the 1 and make it 8. Then we add a comma here, and that's basically it. We added the tile set. Yeah, but now for the thumbnail, since we got the 16 by 16 thumbnail, we'll need to add it first. Now we will do the same thing. We embed textures, add. We just need to find it real quick. Wait, we're in here. It was Y, yeah. Yeah, here. Now we add it to texture page items. Yeah, it's the last thing for them under the textures. Now it will be all 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16. No need to add things here. And then you go to sprites, search for cat tiles, yeah, SPR cat tiles icons. No need to add the texture page and make a new sprite. Just search for sprite cat tiles when you add a thumbnail to any, but we'll see the any part later. We're just now focusing on tile set. Now double click. We made a new option to add the thumbnail in. Go to texture page items, drag it and put it in here, and ta-da, it's on. Now we're ready. Now we can hit save and see how the game looks and if the tile is added or not. Save, and it's already saved to the data.win of MegaMan Maker First Impact in my other folder, so I'll just hit save. Yes. Now we open MegaMan Maker. Yeah, or new First Impact. Right, it opened. Let's try to build a new level with the new /tiles. Right, if we go to MegaMan 7 tile sets, yes, enter tile, spring tile 2, freeze tile 2, /tile, and /tile 2, actual good rock tiles. And if we go and try it, we'll see it's working properly. Very powerful. Actually, it would be good with search pages too. Yeah. And yeah, if you see this, we're seeing a 14 category. Sadly, we can't change the icon for this, for the music part, that is, but at least it's working. It's the music category for MegaMan V music. And since it's a topic about the music now, how about we go ahead and try to add more music.
Now to add musics, you'll need to go to code here, or actually before that, let's go to our folders here. Wait, the MegaMaker new first impact folder. The music folder of the game, go there. If you want to add a new category, just make new folder. Let's just say this will be extra. Call it extra. Now I will just use an NSF file format, a music theme remix of the menu theme of MegaMan Maker remixed by Blue Jay, my friend. I will just put that in the music folder inside the extra folder. Yep, it will be there. Now we will go to the Undertale module, go type music, go to init category music. Now here we have music selected category max equals 13. Since we will add another category, make it 14. Now music category name, yeah, since I added a MegaMan V category already, we'll just add another one, just call it extra. Yeah, and make this 14. And in the music category order, since it will be in order, we'll just need to add it in order. Since the MegaMan V category number was the last one added, I will add the extra one in the end, which was 14. Now we leave it. Go to now to the menu music names. Now this where you locate the NSF file formats and direct the location of them, like where they exist and all of that. Like you see here, for example, the Cutman theme exists in the music folder, in the MM1 folder, which is cutman.nsf format. Yeah, it's all like that. Now, since we added a new category, we will just borrow this. Wait. We will borrow this from here, and then make a space here above return. Make this 14 since it is a new category. And now remove all of these, just make it 0 less than 0. Yeah, that just indicates that it's only one song, and since it will be only one song, we'll just make it 0, not 9. The 9 is just the total songs in the MegaMan V folder or category. Now we'll just copy the Jupiter one, add it in here, just call this menu. And now, since it is extra, the file, make sure to name it properly, like make sure that if the first letter is capital and the rest are smaller, just make sure they are in the same format. Now, since it is directed in the extra folder, we will need to go there just to make sure. I'll just click rename, copy the whole name of the NSF file, and just paste it in here. And now we have it already. Now we can click outside, click on save. Now since we saved, we can go now and check the game. Now let's check the music, and if you see here, there is only 14 category. Now there is a 15. Oh wait, made a mistake. Wait. Oh, I see. I didn't make these 14.
My bad. Alright, now it will be working. Let's hit save and see. Now we can check it now. Alright. Alright, it's working. Gotta say, very jamming remix. Good job, Blue Jay. And that's it for adding music. It will apply the same with the same thing for the bosses. All you need to do is just go for the boss music names, add another category or another song. The category boss music. If you want to add another category, just go there. If you want to add a song to already existed category, you'll just add numbers. And if you added another category, just add the number of the category here and add your music. It won't be as hard. You now know the run of the whole adding music stuff and codes and scripts, and I guess for the tiles too. Now for the last thing of today's tutorial, it will be backgrounds. Now with the background, I already added my background, and for the sizes, let's check it in. It will be like this. 256 on the left side, the left side of bounding size and the target and the source position, and 224 on the right side of bounding size and target and source position. And for the sprite, for the sprite itself, I named it SPR Blast BG2. No need to call it TST and do a name after that. And for the size, it will be the same like the bounding sizes, but here for the margin left, right, bottom, top, it will be 255 and 223. Now I did already screenshot the ID for the BG. All we need to do is just going to init and choose the background. Since we will add another one, it will be 517 instead of 16. And since it will be a Blastman BG, we'll need to find the MegaMan 11 backgrounds. And here it is. It is starting from global background until the description. Copy it, make a gap, add it. What was the code again? Yeah, 517. Alright. 517. Yeah, there it is. Instead of that very nice number, we just said 517. Copy, paste, and replace. Now call it plus PG2. Since I'm not thinking of a description right now, I'll just call it blast test. Blast test. And now it is on. We'll just need to add it to the MegaMan 11 category. Since it is 517, we'll just find the category for the MegaMan 11. Yeah, which is in 10. Yep. The last BG was this number. We'll just add another one. Add a comma here just to not make any mistakes. 517. And bam. Now it's on. I just forgot to make the thumbnail. Just export. Now we can add it again. Embed textures. Embed. Games. Yeah. Yeah, and don't ask why I accumulate my stuff in a lot of folders. I'm just that messy. And just see here where it was. Okay, I'm lost. Wait. Yeah, there it is. Now we can add two texture beige items.
Texture beige items, empty textures, added in 16 by 16, like the last time with tiles. Now, this time we will go to cat, yeah, wait, catty, no, cat, backgrounds icons, wait for it to open, yeah, just add another option, go to the last texture beige item, which is thumbnail, add it in, hit save, and see the magic doing its action. Wait, and I'm so messy. Anyway, let's open it and see. Do not make it just bland. 11. Now it's here, Blast BG, and here's Blast BG 2. Edit. Oh wait, I made another mistake. Didn't I? Yeah, I guess why I didn't add the ID to it. Yep, Blast BG. There it is. Yeah, it's literally the same thing. The ID was 5. Yeah, this one. 84. Now let's see here. Let's reopen MegaMan Maker. Add some content first. The BG is working properly. Not my best work, but it works. Well, that's all for that tutorial. But before I leave, I will just add some extras, like adding tilesets that are animated, and adding backgrounds that are animated and moving to. We'll see you soon about that. Now about adding animated tilesets. Well, I did add the tiles already to not waste any more time, so let's just dive into the codes right away. Let's go to edit tiles category, yeah, add another, and well, it's Brightman tile set and it's animated. So first, let's take an already animated tile set and take the codes that it has that makes it animated in the first place. Yeah, like tile 2 here. Let's take it from the mask until the description here. Now let's go to the Brightman tile set. Wait here. Bright. Yeah. Now, paste it here. Name it Bright 2, Bright Tile 3, Bright Tile 4 actually. Now, tiles frame. Since these tiles, the tile sets that I added, it has only 2 frames, so they are technically 2, yeah, here, because it's written as 2 from the MegaMan tiles script, but the Undertale module counts from 0 to whatever number it is. So like if it takes 0, it will take it as the first one, and then 1 it will be the second, so it will be only tiles frame is equal 1, and tile speed is how fast it is. Let's say let's make it 4. Actually, let's leave it as 3. Yeah. And the tile sprite, yeah, the ID I left it in Discord here. Yeah, it's 5185.
So let's type it 85, and the number of the tileset, forgot again. Yeah, yes, wait, right tile again, sorry about that. Yeah, let's rename it. Rename the description, I mean, whatever it is, just say flashy tiles. Yeah, yeah, so basically it's done now. Place it here.
Fix this.
Now it's added. And I already added the thumbnail, so we don't take any more time, so I will just save it right away. Alright, we're back. Let's see how it goes. I'm just preparing for a better looking uh, floor. Yeah, it's added. Bright tile 4, flashy tile. Yep, it's added. Let's see how it moves. Oh, okay, it's not animated. I kinda see why. I maybe be stupid and they are actually two. Like 2 frames instead of being one. Yeah, maybe that's the case actually. Yeah, I maybe forgot. Right, so right tile 3. Yeah, yeah, it's supposed to be 2. Yes. Load level, yeah, it is. Yep, yep, it was 2 frames, and as you can see, they're moving as fast as ever. You can always adjust that in the uh, tiles frame speed, so it's not a big of a deal, really. And now we'll just move to the backgrounds. Now for the backgrounds, I already added an animated background made by Sunludo again. It has 3 frames. I will just go to init background. Yeah. Background. Yeah. Init category backgrounds. Just add another one. Since it will be in MegaMan 7, I'll just scroll down till we see anything related to MegaMan 7. Yep. Yeah, there. Turbo. Yeah, slash man. Background. This. Add it in here. Slash background 2. I don't know, call it whatever. I'll just call it waterfall for now. Waterfall. Now, the sprite it won't be animated like that normally. Just go to level background, step 0 here. Now, here where things are usually animated. Yeah. So, let's say for example, we'll need a background that animates its 3 frames. I don't know. Oh, I see. Actually. I see how like how the codes work here. Say, let's just take one of these scripts. This case, for example, we just scroll way down. Or we take one of these. I don't know. There are a lot of scripts in here that seem new. Okay, let's take this one. Add it in whatever place you want in. Just make sure to not put it inside these, like in between the case number and break. Just put it under the break. Now, the ID for the background that it will be animated was, yeah, 518 A6. For how many frames the image index is. Yeah, I guess that's thing for frames. Yep, let's just say it's 2. Yeah, it's 2. Now we will leave it and hit save. I'm back again after the fix and it's working properly now right now. But that's not all. Last thing for today, I will just show you how to add a background that can move but only with one frame. Let's see how right now. Alright, the final thing for today is just animating one background with one frame but make it moving, like how the charge background 2 is like. It's only one frame but it moves sideways, like horizontally I mean. And as you can see, there's only one background with one frame. Background is made by San Ludo again. All we gotta do is, since we added already and the ID is there, I added in Discord again. I'll go to backgrounds and in category backgrounds, yeah, add another one. Now we go to background, we go to background step 0. Yes, and you see this code. Yeah, this code right here. Wait, not this one. Oh yeah, this code one. This small code, we'll just copy it and add it in here. We'll just add the sprite ID here, which was 51 80 87. Yeah, 87. We'll just leave it like this. That's the move speed. Yeah, we can make it 3. Now we go to level background draw and we'll copy this again. Same sprite ID we lastly copied in the step 1. Now we'll make it 87 or 87. Alright, and we'll just leave it like that, and it's all done. Now we're back again, and right here, the BG thumbnail didn't register. Doesn't matter, I'll fix it in a bit. But what matter is the moving background itself. And yep, it's moving. You can always just adjust the coding in the level background draw or step code if you want to change the speed or you want to change the direction of the background movement. But that's all for today. I hope I just did really help. I know it was all messy. Well, first, I'm very unprepared and I'm sure that my mic hits differently every now and then in the whole video. But I hope I just did really entertain you, and I hope you make all good mods. I'll see you soon.